So let's make this pedigree now. This is the mother, this is the father. Okay, the father shows the character 1, 2, 3, 4. First child is a girl child and she has the character. Second is normal. Third is the male and has the character. Fourth is again male but normal. And then he got married to a disease or a character showing female. Now the question, let's read once again. You have to find out the genotype of mother as well as the father. So it's again a very easy one. First of all, let's go back to the background once again. When the character is dominant, remember when a character is recessive, only this form will be able to express the character, and these will not express the character, but these are carriers. Please remember, these are carriers. That's why their children could become recessive one. Now the question now is opposite. The question says that dominant character is expressed here. So these are dominant characters. Now dominant character can express in two conditions. These two conditions, now opposite condition is there. And which one will not express the character? Small a, small a. So that means these individuals are definitely small a, because recessive forms are always pure line. So at least this much idea we have, that this individual these two individuals are going to be small a. Okay, why are we using capital A and small a? Because we are talking about autosomal characters. When we will come to the topic of sex-linked character, with symbols we will use XX and XY. Now this individual can be capital A or capital A small a. Let's understand if it is true or not. Should it be true? Because if you check the answer here, one A is coming from mother, then the other A should come from father. So definitely father is not going to be homozygous, father is going to be heterozygous. Now it is very easy to cover the whole concept. One small a will come from here, one capital A will come from here. So this individual is showing the character. One capital A will come from here, one small a will come from here. This individual is also showing the character. Luckily, the two small a's have come here, and this individual is from outside the family marriage, So only now this person can also be like this. How will we confirm? After their marriage. What is the result? That result will tell us whether this female is a homozygous one or the heterozygous one. I hope this is clear. So the second question also we have covered very easily. This was regarding dominant autosomal, and the genotypes we have found to be that mother is small a and the father is mother is small a and the father is capital A and father A is capital A and small a. I hope this second one also is clear to you. Please send me messages in the WhatsApp group so that I can make more videos, or I can discuss with the voice messages and all. It's all possible if you suggest me some questions that something is not clear to you. Now we can do one more pedigree. Let's study this pedigree. This is slightly bigger in concept, so just hold on. Okay, it's easy, but now this pedigree is regarding two normal person, male and female. They get married, and these are their kids in the sequence from left side to right side, eldest to the youngest. First child is a male child, normal. Second child shows the character. Now again same thing. Parents don't show character, child is showing character. So what does that mean? That they are heterozygous. Now again, this is the female born and she got married. This is outsider. She got married. And these are the kids born. One kid is having the character. Now others don't have. The other, now you can see a female is having character, and again a male child without the character. Now what does this show? Now the options given are 4 options. Is it a sex-linked character? So now what is sex-linked character? We have already learned on the last sheet also. A sex-linked character, remember crisscross inheritance concept we have learned, that it should skip one generation and pass on from mother to the son, and from son to the daughter. And if it is a passing from the father, it passes from father to the daughter and again back to the son. So that concept is called as crisscross inheritance. When you check this concept, you can see it is present in the male. It is present in the male, but now something contradictory. Even a female has this character. Now, if for a second we believe this is sex-linked character, then in that case, we know that this is going to be XX, and if character is present homozygous, many of you have solved the assignments carefully, so you know already now that when will a female show character when she is X dot and X dot. Many of you have correctly mentioned this question. If you believe this individual carries the disease, then this should be hemizygous condition. Now, to have such a condition, one X dot should come from father, one X dot should come from the mother. So, but the problem is, if you write that the father is X naught carrying, then he should also carry character. But the question says that the father is normal. That means this character is not sex-linked. Because if it was sex-linked, and if this is a lady who has got sex-linked character, homozygous situation, then one of the X naught is coming from the father, but here the question says father is not showing the symptom. That means this is not sex-linked character. Another point, PKU, phenylketonuria, is basically not a sex-linked character. It is controlled by 12th chromosome, or you can say the autosome. Now, next concept. Next is, maybe this whole statement is wrong. We will work out that. Second statement, third statement possible is that autosomal recessive, this is a autosomal recessive character, and the character they are talking about is PKU. And then it is even possible it is a sex-linked recessive character. We have already covered that this concept is not sex-linked character. Because if it was sex-linked character of hemophilia, if she is X naught, then the father should have shown the character. So then the only possibility left now is which one? That this character is a autosomal recessive character controlled by the autosomes.